Hello, we are testing the Zoom class for the second camera. Here is the laptop, and this is the built-in camera. If I only have this camera, when teacher want to see my work, so now it's target my face. It's the easy camera here, and I pinned at the gallery. I pinned my side, so my side is very big, and if I only have this camera, I want to show my homework, I need to raise it up and try not cover my face so teacher can see this is my homework. See, teacher, that's what I have done. Yeah, that's my brushwork. Okay, so not very clear and complicated with my talking, shows my face. And now I try use this iVCam got from the Apple Store for free. I got already this iVCam, so now I can use this and move without move the.
You need to change the camera, Victoria.
Yeah, okay, forgot. So here I need to change the camera. Now I'm not use the built-in camera. I use this iVCam. Okay, so now shows just to target my homework without lift raise. So I can show my teacher, or when teacher says, Victoria, show me what are you doing? May I see that? Okay. So I'm writing the sky. So horizontal stroke, horizontal stroke, and then slant, and then press da 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 to end, lifting to end. Am I doing correct, teacher? Do you see that? Oh, and teacher said, good job, very good. Probably this stroke can be a little bit, the whole thing a little bit downward for the better balance. Oh, okay, do that. So, shows my side, the artwork, the practicing, the homework, and by using iVCam.
Very good. It's all free, and you can check that out. We'll give you the information.
Whole setting.
Yeah,
So
very
only towards the
effective way.
Work.
Yeah. So basically, the idea is to add second webcam using your smartphone without cost anything, and the software is free. So try that before the class if you like to get hands-on experience from Zoom class.
So now I pin teachers. Okay. So.
How do you pin teachers' window, Victoria?
Oh, I went to the gallery view and find the teachers here, and go here, and now it's pinned already.
Can you enlarge it? How do you enlarge it? You need to go to speaker view. You pin it, then you go to speaker view.
And the whole thing shows.
Right. You have to
Only.
Select the right window, and then view it in the
speaker view,
yeah, speaker
then
view.
become like the whole screen,
Yeah, you need to
full
ping.
screen.
You need to ping the teacher or the host, so when others talk, you will not be interrupted.
Right. Okay. Otherwise, anybody talks, it shows anybody.
Yeah, the active speaker shows by default, so you need to ping
Uh-huh.
the host or the teacher's screen.
Mhm.
When teacher asks you to show your work,
Okay. So
teacher
what
will
do I-
pin yours, so don't worry about you don't have to pin yours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just the teachers or the student you want to look at, pin the students window. Yeah, as a teacher, you pin the students window when you try to enlarge it. Okay, so you
What about-
can you
okay.
pin yourself? Can you pin yourself?
Right. That's what I'm trying to do. That. Okay. Pin video.
Okay. Now can you enlarge? Okay.
That's
As soon as you
fine.
pin it, it enlarges.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is what I just have showed to teachers, and I can switch to the easy camera, but still pin so my face is big, but students and right. Do I do that, or I supposed to wait speaker to pin that? I'm student's end.
Yeah, you don't pin yourself.
Right.
You don't need to pin yourself. Oh yes, if you
Yeah,
want
if
to.
I want to.
Yeah, if you want to, as a teacher, if you want to see your
Right.
what looks like, you can pin yourself. But
right, but
yeah.
looks like if a teacher asked me to pin, right, or
Yeah.
teacher pin.
I think I pin myself because I want to make a recording clean, so when students talk, they will not pop up. That's the only reason for me to pin. Then I just use the gallery view to communicate with student. I don't need to see their large face. I just see their thumbnails.
Right. But when students want to show teacher or teacher asked for see students' work,
Yeah.
So students pin or teacher pin.
The viewer.
Either,
The
right?
viewer decide which window to
Okay,
to
so
see. Yeah, I as the host, the teacher cannot help you to find which window you want to pin. You have to learn that as a student.
right.
Yeah.
You have to you need to learn it.
This is
that,
the most important
But
function.
unless teacher asked you to pin or teacher pins, right?
Right.
Okay.
I can pin it for the recording.
But,
but if you want to watch the demos live, you have to pin that demo window.
Right.
Yeah. Otherwise, the speakers.
Well,
if we allow.
We'll switch.
Well,
Anybody,
another alternative is to don't allow people talk during the lecture or demos. They can only type in chat box. Do you know where the chat box is?
I think so. So teachers.
Let me see if I can find
Here?
it.
So only two, pin video and the chat.
Yeah, I mean chat box is let me say hi to everybody. Can you see my
Right,
hi?
I saw that.
Yeah.
Hi.
So you can type
Also say
questions.
hi.
Yeah. Yeah, you can type questions. So the teacher will respond in lifetime. Yeah, we should all open the chat box. Actually, you should when you do this, you need to exit the full screen and put the chat box besides, so then it's not blocking the view.
Blocking.
Exit the full screen,
Exit the full
please.
screen, and this is on my right
Yeah,
side.
you can see that that's the ideal setup. So you have chat box
Oh.
on the right side, the main screen.
Still on.
Yeah. So keep this in mind. Don't do full screen. But sometimes, if the teacher share a screen, by default it will go full screen. But after sharing content, it should go back.
So yes, we need to learn how to pin a video and how to unpin a video, and how to use the second camera, which is free, got from like a Apple Store, iVCam, to do things can target.
Can you
camera
show us one more time
for
how
the-
do you switch cameras? So under video icon, click on the
Yes.
little arrow. There will be actually three camera sources.
Here,
Two of them are the same.
iVCam.
Yeah, iVCam.
Choose this.
Right. And you need to turn on the
Turn on the
phone.
iVCam I got from Apple Store already.
Oh, here we go. So easy.
And very fast.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Right. So it's very easy to use. So try it before you take the Zoom class. So you're
Get ready for it.
you're ready for hands-on.
Here is the usage for it.
Yeah. Otherwise, you have to hold your homework against the main camera, blocking your view. So this is the easiest solution, and it's free. If you use a camera from your phone plus the laptop with a built-in camera, so you got two cameras at least under the same account. There is another option we don't really like, which is you use both devices to log into the same meeting. That will increase the audience number. So it's hard for teacher to find you. So that's another resolution, but we should all try this two-in-one, two camera in one account approach, which is really easy. We have spent days to find this solution. We hope you find this very helpful improvement to our online hands-on class. Thank you for watching. See you in the class.
See you in the
Bye-bye.
class. Bye.